I hang my coat by the door every day. I am hanging the laundry out right now. I have just hung a new painting in the hall. I have been hanging wallpaper all weekend. I hung the curtains yesterday. I was hanging the lights when the ladder wobbled. I had hung the decorations before the party started. I had been hanging pictures for hours before I found the level. I will hang the shelves tomorrow morning. I will be hanging out with friends all afternoon. I will have hung every frame by the weekend. By tonight, I will have been hanging decorations for 6 hours.